I'm going to work on a new project here, a motionless electrical generator. And so I'm making my own coil form right here out of some foam for packing and just wrapping it with some electrical tape, trying to stiffen it up a little bit and get it ready for winding wires on to make my coils. So I'm going to have 3 coils on here and just some regular wire, trying to see what would happen. So there's my first coil. I got to have 3. So I continue on making another coil and getting that wrapped on. Finally, I get to the last coil. I got all 3 coils on here now. And then I gather up the wires and get it ready for my circuit. Now I'm going to hook this up to my 3 transistor circuit driver, and I have some trigger coils up in the top of this picture so that you can see them. There they are, a little better view of the trigger coils. They're just relay coils that I took out of an old relay. There's my circuit board, and it's ready to hook up to my actual coils. Now the top coil up on the top left of this schematic is the coils that I built. The trigger coils is those small ones from the ice cube relays. I decided to change out my homemade coil for some store-bought ones. We'll see how they do, but I'm hooking them up in series across from each other. Okay. That way the rotating field will go this way. I'm going to try to start it up this way, I think, to the left. And it'll be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, going around that way. Wish me luck. I need it.